Hostinger Horizon is a tool which has changed the industry of hosting. It's an AI tool, very advanced tool, through which you just have to give the command and it's automatically going to create a website or app for you. And if you are looking for an amazing coupon code to save money when you buy Hostinger Horizon, what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you land over here, this is an exclusive discount you're gonna get as an extra 10% on all of the plans. So it's an amazing tool. Just write it. I want to create a website, to create an e-commerce website with 10 products and just press the start and it's boom and you can easily create it. So for now, to avail Hostinger Horizon, they offer you free 4 plans, free to try, Explorer, Starter, and Hobbyist plans. And you can choose any plan. But let's say we are going with a starter plan, which is the most popular. So what you have to do is to simply select the choose plan over here to claim your discount. Again, this coupon is only valid if you click over here with choose plan for Hostinger Horizon. You can choose any plan. The coupon code is valid on any plan, but make sure to click on the link in the description of this video and then come over here. Now coming on the billing period, Hostinger offer you 1 or 12 months because so these are special prices. So my recommendation is to offer the 12 months. After this, select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code for Hostinger Horizon. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with the special discount link. Simply apply this coupon code and you're going to see that your price got a further discount on already running discount deal at Hostinger Horizon. After this, simply select the continue and now you may be asked to log in at Hostinger or need to create a new account. But since I'm already logged in, which is the last part, so I can need to see my order summary over here. My coupon code is loaded for Hostinger Horizon. My billing details are ready over here. I can simply edit them if they are not fine. And after this, coming on to the payment method, Hostinger will offer you variety of payment method, guys. You can pay by credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay China, Alipay Hong Kong, and CoinGate for crypto payments. You can choose any as per your convenience. For instance, if you use credit card, credit card details, then simply select the submit payment. And once you do it, within few minutes, you're going to get an email from Hostinger with all of your account details. Just for revision, the procedure is very easy. What you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description and then use the coupon code as I've explained in this video to avail amazing discount from Hostinger Horizon. No doubt Hostinger Horizon is an amazing tool which has changed the world with the AI advancement. It has made website creation and even app creation so easy and quickly. So if anyone wants to create their website or apps, just simply click on the link in the description and use this step-by-step tutorial to avail amazing discount from Hostinger Horizon. So good luck.